probably be a shorter video than the most, and that's okay. What I have here is my summer drivable 2001 Ford F-150, and she ranges from the scale of true mint to brand new. The seat was clapped out more than your second gen that your cousin has, but the brand new part is she's rust free. Except for the Ford bed liner. Now I'm a fan of Maine. Ooh, it's still got the Maine factory tag on that. I'll flash that to you later. But what we have right behind me is a disgusting, I mean disgustingly dirty bed, along with a little bit of Canadian weight reduction. Now if you don't know what that means, it's rust. And now we do like a speed hole every once in a while on our F-1Pitys. However, in this case, I love this truck and how nice it is, and so I intend to keep it that way. So I went ahead and I tore out the ugly black bed liner that just attracts heat. Just, ugh. So that's out. This is gonna stay the way it is because it's a personal preference, and it'll last the bed a lot longer. So here we got a little bit of a little flakage, and that's okay, but I'm gonna be getting rid of that. And then the heavy thing is this guy right here. I mean, that's just, ouch, nasty. We got a little bit of paint chippage right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the wire wheeler out. I'm gonna clean those up. I'm gonna get rid of whatever's flaking off up there. And then I'm gonna primer these and then go to the auto store later on in the Corona. I'm gonna go ahead and start wire wheeling and then bring out the paint from that there cupboard, primer it, and then, yeah, that'll be the new face look of this beauty. Well, that was tasteful. So we'll get her down to the bare metal. It turns out we might need some Bondo because there's a little bit of depth in there, and depth's all right, but in this situation we're gonna want a little bit of assistance with depth. This isn't fishing, we don't want depth. A little flake of metal there. Now it's time for a little bit of, and yeah, start prettying it up. Pop in the top, doggone it, can't get it. Wata. 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 I broke it a bit. Ooh, that is most definitely gonna require Bondo. You know, I'm not much for a body shop guy, but does it really mean any angle? I mean, I can do this upside. Well, that's one product that lives up to his name right there. Oh, it lied. Liars. Okay, well. Much more dominant. It's going to the road, I'm not kidding. Going for a walk down the road. This quarantine stuff has really got you. Ooh, it's pretty out on camera. It's really got me exercising out here. Finger strength, grip strength, forearm strength. Really testing the shoulder right now and the backs of my knees. Oh my goodness. Where's my favorite pole? Oh.
That's what she said. Michael.
Had to take a break. Yep. Finger strength. Nope, I lost it. Coming back here. All right. Crap, there's a tree in my way. Don't much matter. all the way for us. Yeah, I'm just helping the county. There's my pole. Yes. That just screams free. All right, go ahead and take it. We went to the auto parts store and we got ourselves duplicate color, the exact color match of this truck. So, you guys ever notice how many times I say "so" in these freaking things? It's just redonkulous. Now, it is a little precipitated out. We got some wet spots here, so what you do is you just dry yourself a good dry spot. Get her decently dry. And just carefully. Ooh. Oh my goodness, you ain't ever gonna know. Doggone it, there's a wet drop right there. Just might as well paint the whole bed. Oh, doggone it, I forgot to wipe this one down. That's alright. That's what second coats are for. This one isn't the anti-level like the Rust-Oleum. You can't even tell. I'm just kidding, it looks scrappy and rappy. So hold on, we gotta put a dryness on here. Okay, now. It looks a lot worse on camera, but it doesn't look that bad in real life, I promise. So. Something doesn't feel right though. I know what it is, hold on. That better? Yeah, it feels a whole lot better. Now, this is my truck. So yeah. But if you guys are enjoying the videos, let me know either in person whenever this whole Corona thing is over, or sure, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. Keep your stick on the ice, and remember folks, legendary man once said, not once, every episode, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Also my senior quote of 2019. Shout out Cedar Springs Redhawks. It's a great day to be a Red Hawk.